The first of 3 improvement projects along Park Boulevard gets underway this September. The water rehabilitation project will replace cast iron pipes as old as 65 years old with PVC pipe. While the project is expected to take 1 year to complete, it will not be as disruptive as the Parker Road project. The work focuses on smaller areas and crossings. Only a short section of the road will be worked on at a time to help keep traffic moving and reduce interruptions for people living and working nearby. This will make it easier and less confusing for motorists to get through. Unlike Parker Road, where the water lines are located under the main road lanes, most of Park Boulevard's water lines are along the outside edge of the roadway. Replacement piping can be installed with less digging and minimal concrete removal. The work will move in 2 directions. One contractor will work west to east from Preston Road to US 75. Another contractor will work east to west from the east city limits to US 75. Once the water work is complete next year, this portion of Park Boulevard will undergo concrete roadway repairs similar to what's currently being done between the west city limits and Preston Road. All of this work will prepare the road for an asphalt overlay in the summer of 2026.